today's vlog, I'm going to show you guys how we make our money back from buying this expensive Cricut. Before we do anything, we have to set up our tent and get ready for our pop-up. Doing pop-ups or street vending is a perfect way to get your name out there, make some sales, and also get customers, of course. Are we doing it right? This was so good. All right. Okay, this is better. Ooh. So good morning, guys. So we're doing a pop-up. This is our like regular spot. We haven't did pop-ups in probably for a while. So we just got a new tent. Yeah, we can start setting up.
By my leg, my feelings show. You gotta try to get in. Welcome to the vicious heart. You got it, keep on.
It is still so slow, guys. We made a few sales, and of course I didn't record anything, like, I know, but we packed up. We packed up early because we have other stuff to do. You guys know we have a big event tomorrow. You wanna buy more? Alright guys, so we get some vinyl heat transfers. Alright guys, so we're in the right aisle now.
Explain to them what you did.
Me? Should we get two? The lighting is not the best, but whatever, we're gonna work with it. It's a little glare too, I don't know. I know this car is packed. I know. Yeah, this is how it looks when we do pop-ups. Anyway, so we just got back from the smoke shop. We got a few things from the smoke shop, and my mom's she's in another store right now. Yeah, we spent a lot of money trying to get ready for tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow is going to be a big event. Well, actually not a big event. It's we don't know how the turnout's going to be, but whatever. So we just got some more shishas. This one is watermelon flavor, and this is supposed to be like 16 ounces. Let's see. Pull to tear. I with the tear saw. I'm gonna open it because it smells good. Watermelon, and we got blueberry mint. This is like one of my favorites. Blueberry mint. And then we got some more, we got some pre-cut foil. You need these for the, on top of the on top of the coal. I mean, at the bottom of the coal. That's how it looks. It comes with 50 sheets. And then we got some cigars as well. So the only thing is, I don't like spending a lot of money. I do like, okay, I love shopping, I love spending money, but I don't like spending money on events like this, like doing pop-ups. I don't like spending a lot of money because I don't know the outcome. So tomorrow we have an event, like I said. We don't know how it's gonna be, so this is how we're gonna break it down. So me and my mom are breaking it up. So I'm gonna be working on the hookah on the patio. She's gonna be working on, you know, Bourgeois Boutique, trying to make sales. Plus and it's her birthday, so put that all together. So we're gonna have some family and friends, some customers there. So basically working and trying to host and trying to make sales, and we keep on spending money on stuff, you know what I mean? So it's like that's the only reason I'm like, okay, I don't know what's going on, but anyway. And like I said, we're doing it, me and mom have business partners now, so we'll see how that goes. Tomorrow's our first event, and yeah, I'm gonna vlog everything. I don't know how I'm gonna do the vlog. I don't know if I should break it up in 2 different videos like I usually do, or just keep it one long video until you guys start to finish of doing. Oh, you know what, I'll probably do break it up in 2 videos, just give me more content to post. But yeah, yeah, probably, you know what, I will. I'm gonna break it up into 2 different videos. I'm looking forward to the videos, because you guys know I love doing vlogs. That's one thing I'm looking forward to. Yeah, and this is gonna be the first major hookah business that we're doing. It's like a major event for hookah. So yeah, other than that, that's it. Today we didn't make that many sales when we did our pop-up today. It was really slow. I think there's a lot of pop-ups going on out here, and it's a lot of competition. That's what's going on. And I feel like, yeah, that was why we didn't make any sales. We probably made, what, like 3 to 4 sales. I'm grateful, don't get me wrong, I'm grateful for all that. But yeah, when I get home, well, me and mom get home, I'm gonna work on making some shirts, because for the pop-up for Juneteenth, which is next week, they estimate 30,000 people. So yeah, we need to accommodate all those people. We need to go back to downtown LA, the fashion district. We need to get some more inventory, because we have stuff, we have clothes and all that, but I don't think we have enough to accommodate everyone. And yeah, other than that, it's been good. I'm just trying to hustle. I'm trying to, you know, I want to be wealthy. That's the goal. Wealthy, successful, and all that. And yes, I hope you guys enjoying the vlog so far. I know it's kind of been everywhere. Now that I'm thinking back, it's been everywhere. But it's fine. That's my life. It's fine. My life is a movie. But thank God it's early. It's about 6 o'clock. When I get home, relax for a little bit, and then work on some shirts. Tomorrow we have to be at the event at 9 o'clock, so we have to be out the house around probably like 8:30 in the morning. That should be fun. I probably should vlog the process of making shirts, but I don't know if it's boring. I showed it in my last vlog. How we make our shirts, and I'll teach you guys how to use a Cricut and heat press. I don't know if it's gonna be boring if I do it again tonight, or, you know, I might as well just show you guys what I'm doing. More content, maybe. Yeah, probably just show you guys. I don't like looking in the backseat. I'm sorry, I do not. Oh, my mom's back. Let's see what she got. She loves spending money. What you get? What you get?
Nothing.
You know that can't fit back there.
No, I got the ashtrays and the peppermint.
You sitting on Smart Final?
There's no way we can fit soda in here.
Unless we go in the house and clean out and then come back out. It's only 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Or you go in the morning. Or do we even need it? You know, because I know a lot of other food vendors is going to have drinks.
Okay, we can just have water.
What you think?
We can have just water.
Alright guys, so she likes spending money. You want to go get the sodas? She got to add to it. You want to get the sodas?
Everybody making money.
I know, but we're not making money and you spending money before we even get in there. We already spent so much money on hookahs.
Okay.
The only reason I'm thinking, like, I know it's going to be a lot of vendors. The food vendors are going to be selling
Drinks.
yeah.
Okay. So you feel people outside on the patio? No.
I don't know. You can get sodas, but like I said, it's gonna be on your lap and it's hard. You better damn see. Thank God I have
Go.
I have a mirror.
We're good.
I mean, a
We're
camera.
good. I just want to go to the house. I gotta take this thing out.
You want to the sun go down because it's hot. And we have to make shirts today.
Alright.
And we have to be in bed at a certain time because we have to be out the house by what, 8:30? Like I said.
But I want to get there early.
So you want to get there before 9?
What time did we agree on?
I don't know. Let me go. Alright guys, I'll see you guys when we get to the house.